Hello everyone. Today's video is going to be about Statue of Unity. So let's get right into the video. Fact 1. World's tallest statue. The Statue of Unity is one of the world's most famous statues. This statue was created in honor of the famous Indian leader Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This statue stands 182 meters tall. This statue is currently the tallest in the world. Fact 2. Design of the statue. Before the making of the Statue of Unity, a team of historians, artists, and academics studied a lot of statues of Patel across India. After studying these statues, they chose the statue of Patel that was made by Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutra. The Statue of Unity is a larger replica of the statue of Vallabhbhai Patel that is installed in Ahmedabad International Airport. Ram Sutra's son Anil Sutra explained the design of the statue. Fact 3. Location of the statue. The location of this monument is really beautiful. The statue is located next to the mighty river Narmada and the Sardar Sarovar Dam, with the beautiful Vindhya and Sapra mountain ranges on both sides. Fact 4. The viewing gallery. The viewing gallery inside the statue is at a height of 153 meters inside the statue. 153 meters above the ground comes the heart of the statue. So, you can say that the viewing gallery is inside the heart of the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Fact 5. The amazing night show. At 7 p.m. the night show in Statue of Unity starts. In this night show, the Statue of Unity itself acts as the screen and you would come to know about the story of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and the struggle of India for independence. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this.